What's going on? It's DK, sitting here driving around my city of Chicago. Throw this window up some so y'all can hear me a little better. All right, so one of my clients is getting into a lot of wealth soon, a lot of money, and I've already heard, some stuff. And usually when people come to money, especially in the black community, first thing our friends ask is, "Yo, what you gonna blow it on? What you gonna blow it on? What you gonna blow that money on?" And it's like, it's cool to spend 10% of what you get on yourself and just blow it, have fun, hang out with your friends, whatever. But what we gonna blow that money on, as his business advisor, as someone that's making sure his finances are straight, we gonna blow that money on stocks, on bonds, on ETFs, on property, on businesses, on cash flow producing assets. That's what we gonna blow our money on, because every dollar you get is like a worker bee, right? Think about it like this. Think about like every dollar you get, you can either have it stay at home and be lazy and lose value and get fat, all right? That's being in the bank, all right? Or you can have sometimes the dollars have to go and work for you, right? Maybe they're working to go get food, right? So the worker bees go and work for you, get food, and then they sacrifice themselves so they can keep you and your body, the number one asset, healthy, right? As they sacrifice themselves to make sure you are clothed, you are warm, you got a roof over your head. They go and work for that. But then you have all these worker bees left over, and that's called disposable income. Now you can do one or two things with those worker bees. You can trick it off and spend it on unnecessary things, and then they just sacrifice themselves for nothing, for temporary gratification. Or you can delay that gratification and you go and make your worker bees work for you. Make those workers work for you, right? Because if not, if you don't, then you risk truly missing out on a bag. Chasing the fun stuff and making sure that your homies, your fun friends for right now are happy. Well, they're not gonna be there when that bag is gone, right? Your fun friends won't be there, but your worker bees can be there, and they could be working to get you money. Your money should be working as hard as you, because when you get to a point when you get a certain bag, that money works for you. So now you working to get more worker bees, and you got worker bees working for you to get more worker bees, right? So you're really deploying your own little soldiers to go get that money. So all I'm saying is, man, listen, yes, have some fun, trick off some money a little bit, but at the end of the day, delay that gratification so you can build some generational wealth. Because it's not cool to have all this nice, fancy, expensive stuff, but you ain't got no worker bees to work for you. Now you have to work harder because you don't have enough worker bees on your team to work for you. And those are the dollars, and that's interest, and that is cash flow producing assets. All right, I'm out of here.